Yes guys, what's going on? My name is Double A and today I'm back again with another video. And today in this video I'm going to be doing a collaboration video with Dragti, also known as the Phantom. And basically what he's going to be showing you today is finishing effects for your designs. And yeah, pretty much hopefully this video helps you. All of Dragti's links will be in the description below, and I highly recommend that you subscribe to him because he's a really great graphic designer. So yeah, go subscribe to him in the link in the description below. And yeah, pretty much see you guys in the next video. And finally, Double A is out. I'll pass it on to Dragti.
Evening fellows, welcome back to another video. This is the Phantom or Dragti, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add finishing effects to your designs. So it could be a Twitter header, YouTube banner, whatever you really want. So yeah, I do want to thank Double A for allowing me to post this on his channel. So with that out of the way, let's get started. So first thing you want to do is open your design up and group your layers. So in order to do this, you want to shift click the top layer, shift click the bottom one, and it will select all the layers in between. Then you want to right click and click group from layers. Then you can call it whatever you want and click OK, but I'm just going to undo that because I've already grouped it. So once you have a group, you want to click on that and then click Ctrl J, or right click and duplicate the layer or group. Then on this new duplicated group, you want to right click and click merge group. Then you want to duplicate this layer by using Ctrl J again, or right clicking, your choice. I prefer Ctrl J. Then you want to go to filter, other, and add a high pass. And this is the first effect because high pass essentially allows you to add much more detail to your design. And at first you might be, this looks ugly as fuck, what are you doing? But we can edit this. So what you want to do is change the blend mode to overlay, and as you can see, all this detail has been edited. So if we just hide this layer, as you can see, there's a lot more detail in the design, especially around like the styles over here, you can tell. Then you want to click on both of these, click the group icon if you're on CC, and essentially you just want to group these new layers. Then you want to duplicate them, then right click and merge it again. And you want to duplicate this new merged layer once. Then you want to right click and click blend mode, and we're going to add an RGB split effect. So essentially you want to knock out the channels green and blue, so you only have red ticked, and this is just in the default blend options. You want to click OK, and then you want to nudge your whole thing 1 pixel to the right, like so. So you won't see that much of a difference now, but let's duplicate this layer and once again go to the blending options and change it to the green layer. So the red and blue should be off, and we just want to nudge it one more time, and you can start to see some of the effect is happening, especially if you have like white characters. So you can see it's turned purple and green. And now we want to duplicate it once more, so let me just zoom back into the image. Alright, so duplicate this layer once more, right click and go to blending options, and then choose blue, and then nudge to the right once more, and then we've done the RGB split effect. So you want to select these three layers, don't select the bottom one, so just select the ones where you've knocked the channels out and shifted it to the right, and then merge the layers. You can group it as well, but there's really isn't that much of a point. And essentially if you get this like strange line over here, then what you want to do is get the eraser tool, put it down to like, I don't know, like something like this, so it doesn't really get rid of too much of the design, and you want to just erase this edge. And essentially what you've done is you've created the RGB split effect and you've kept your design looking clean, so you can sort of see it, especially here. So yeah, I guess that's all for today's video. I do want to thank Double A once more for allowing me to post this on his channel. Please go and subscribe to him, his link is down below as well. And yeah, so thanks for watching. It's been the Phantom or Dragti. My channel's down below as well. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.